Hey, it's Angela here again, and of course, I'm here to congratulate you on completing yet another module. If you keep showing up like this and if you keep just doing the work, then I'm pretty sure you're going to get there and you're going to be able to achieve those goals that you set out at the beginning of the course. Now, today I want to talk about a way of using sort of public judgment in your favor. So the idea is that, when you set out a goal for yourself and the only person that knows about it is you, it's very easy to say like, actually, it doesn't really matter, like if I achieve it or not. Like, I don't want to stress myself out too much. It doesn't matter. But if you actually declare it publicly, if you say to your friends, like, I am going to be able to build this thing that I want to build. I am going to learn how to code. I am going to, go to the gym every day. Then you have some accountability, right? To other people, not just yourself. And I think as humans, we find it much harder to deal with like public embarrassment or public scorn when you declare that you're going to do something like, I'm going to quit smoking. And then the next time they see you, you're like, smoking away. It's much harder to do, basically. So one of the ways that you can use other people's help in motivating yourself is to just declare it publicly. Go on Facebook, go on Twitter, tell all your friends, like, I am going to work 1 hour a day on learning how to code for 100 days. And I'm going to check in every day and post my progress. In fact, a lot of people already do this. And so if you head on to Twitter and you look at the hashtags coding newbie and 100 days of code, you'll see a lot of people document their journey, like everything that they've done during the hour, and they post every day so that they have a track record of what they've done every day to learn to code. But also you have loads of people cheering you on, like it's hard. Everybody knows that it's hard, and everybody who's going through it together will try to help you out. So try to declare publicly your intention, your goal, and then go onto Twitter and use those hashtags coding newbie, 100 days of code, to try and reach out basically to a community of really encouraging people who will be there alongside me telling you that you can do it. And I think it's really, really powerful when you can tap into that resource. So have a go at that.